Hi, my name's Lorna and I'm the Business Support Manager at the Corby office of Moore Stephens. From the 1st of April 2019, VAT registered businesses over the VAT threshold, which is currently £85,000, will have to file their VAT returns through computerised software. So the purpose of this webinar is to show you how to file your returns direct to HMRC through Sage 50C. If you'd like to know more about making tax digital and how this might affect you, please see our separate webinar by Tim Woodgate. A link to this is below. Before you can file a VAT return, you'll need to register with HMRC for online filing, obtain a user ID and select a password. So let's jump into the software and I'll show you how to begin. The first thing to do is to enter your VAT registration number, user ID and password into your Sage software. To do this, from the settings menu across the top, select Company Preferences. Enter the password you use to log on to your software. Select the VAT tab from the top menu bar. Credentials, enter your user ID and password. Enter your contact details in these boxes along with your email address so you receive a confirmation email once you've filed your return. To file a VAT return, from the left-hand menu, select VAT. A box shows you the previous VAT returns you have submitted along with their status. Select VAT return to your VAT period. Select Calculate VAT return. Your software will check through all your data and pull up the number of transactions within this period. Select OK. On the right-hand side, you'll see a summary of your VAT return. You can print out reports and copies of your VAT return so you can check your figures. Once you are happy with your return, select Reconcile VAT return. And yes to flag these transactions and mark them as reconciled. And then select the Submit Online box to file your VAT return straight to HMRC. An internet submission wizard comes up. Select Continue and ensure that you've got your user ID and password entered. Select Submit and this will file your data through to HMRC. Once filed through to HMRC, the status here will show Sent and you have filed your VAT return. Thank you for watching. Hope you found this useful. If you have any queries, please contact Moore Stephens or your accountant.